6.
BMW 328 Homage. The car you see on the screen is a prototype created especially for the annual event Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este. BMW wanted to pay tribute to their own sports cars from the 1930s, and they've done it. Although the prototype is extremely futuristic, it manages to capture the essence of vintage cars. To be precise, this model is based on the BMW 328, a two-seater roadster. The original model was made of aluminium and magnesium. To give it a twist, the designers of the BMW 328 Homage chose carbon fiber as the main material. It's stronger than aluminium, but also lighter. Some other interesting features include the complete absence of doors. This solution made it possible to increase the machine's rigidity and reduce the overall weight. The car has no dashboard either. Instead, it just has two iPhones connected to the car with special covers. They function as stopwatches for measuring lap times and as a GPS navigation system. The technical and dynamic specifications have not been disclosed though. After all, it's just a concept car created in a single copy to please the public and showcase this unique design. The only thing that is known for sure is that the vehicle's fitted with a 3-litre 6-cylinder engine.
Five.
Pagani Huayra Pearl. This unique car was first showcased in May 2016. Overall, there's only 20 models of the Pagani Huayra line in the world. But there's only one copy of the Pearl model, created especially for a customer in the United Arab Emirates. When the vehicle was handed over to its new owner, the manufacturer didn't disclose information about its technical characteristics. People could only speculate on the characteristics based on the classic Pagani Huayra. Unfortunately, in July 2016, a photo of the destroyed Pagani Huayra Pearl leaked after a serious accident. However, the company decided to come to the aid of its client. By March 2017, the car had been fully restored, although the manufacturer did more than just repairing the vehicle. The Pagani Huayra Pearl was upgraded inside and out. First, it received new aerodynamic parts. Secondly, the updated specifications were shared with the public. The car is powered by a 6-litre twin-turbo V12 engine, which delivers up to 1,350 horsepower. The gearbox also has 7 speeds. The car weighs 1,218 kilograms, less than the standard Pagani Huayra. In addition, the Pagani Huayra Pearl was equipped with a one-of-a-kind suspension made from aircraft-grade aluminium. The car reaches 100 km per hour in 2.2 seconds and a speed of 300 km per hour in just 14 seconds.
Four.
Vulcano Titanium. If you're an aviation enthusiast or you like military aircraft, chances are the next vehicle in our video will spark some interesting associations. And it's not surprising. The designers of the Vulcano Titanium were inspired by the Blackbird SR-71 reconnaissance aircraft. Its fuselage and wings are almost entirely made of titanium alloy, and therefore, a titanium alloy was also used as the main material for the car you see on the screen. The creators of the vehicle didn't care that the performance of the material leaves much to be desired. For example, it's difficult to weld, which means that any possible repairs will be tricky and expensive. However, titanium has an advantage. It gives the car a unique and very unusual appearance. The manufacturer even decided not to hide the metal under a layer of paint. On the technical side, the car is powered by a 6.2-litre supercharged V8 engine that produces 680 horsepower and 840 Nm of torque. By the way, the car's design allows the capacity to be increased up to 1,000 horsepower. The car goes up to 100 km an hour in 2.8 seconds, and the top speed is 350 km per hour. Toyota LQ. Just a few years ago, Toyota revealed a project to create a car of the future. At the time, it was just another idea, and no one believed that a functional copy of this futuristic car could be produced. However, in 2019 at the Tokyo Motor Show, the brand proved that they were serious. The Toyota LQ is a functional version of the initial project. It's a car that cares for people and nature alike. Every detail of the Toyota LQ, from the wheels to the seats, is unique and unusual. Instead of the regular dashboard, we find an augmented reality screen which is created using a special projector. The central panel has been created on a 3D printer too. Instead of standard systems and mechanisms, the car is controlled by an artificial intelligence system capable of learning. The manufacturer ensures that the technology creates an emotional connection between the user and the vehicle. Its basic philosophy is learn, grow, love. The computer recognizes the people in the car, determines their habits and preferences, and then does everything possible to ensure the comfort and safety of the users. The autopilot allows the car to travel without human assistance too. The car communicates with the passengers and driver through an integrated communication platform with smart lighting. For example, the vehicle can analyze and report on the state of the road. The Toyota LQ is an electric car that can travel up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. Bugatti Chiron 2.0. This car was created by the German company Mansory, which specializes in modifying luxury cars. This customized Bugatti Chiron is known as Centuria. Among the interesting features are the reshaped bumpers, the side skirts, the air intake on the roof, and the spoiler. The design of the car was improved to increase overall power. Pay attention to the cast wheels, designed specifically for the Bugatti Centuria. They're finished with carbon fiber, complementing the look of the car and giving it a dynamic edge. Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo. The last unique vehicle we'll show you today was first introduced to the public relatively recently. The presentation took place during the final of the Gran Turismo Sport Championship in November last year. The Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo is a car for gamers. The design was specially conceived to appeal to a new and young audience. But let's start from the beginning. In case you haven't heard, Gran Turismo is a series of racing games. The V12 Gran Turismo will be available for use in virtual racing this spring. As for the car you see on the screen, this is its real-life prototype, designed to attract as much attention to the brand as possible, as well as to the game. It should be noted that the Lambo V12 Vision Gran Turismo is a concept, so no technical or dynamic performance information about the car has been revealed. However, the car is striking, eye-catching, and has attracted the attention of many people. For example, just look at the inside, which resembles the cockpit of a fighter plane. The main controls are hidden inside the steering wheel. The trademark Lambo refined silhouette with signature Y-shaped headlights and taillights and unique windows allows for an ideal level of aerodynamics.